What's going on, Million Moves? I'm back with a new content video for you, a new tutorial. You all ask me about new stuff like smart money, ICT, and I know there are many videos about ICT, entry, smart money, but personally I found these videos are way too complicated. They don't have any helpful indicators on the charts. They just go like this and do drawings. You have to draw here and draw there. But I make it as always easy for everyone to understand in simple English, in simple ways, how to do it with great results. So this strategy is called Sweep Hunt. It's a recommendation of a trader friend who is very successful with it. He trades 20 Apex accounts with it and he does it long term. So this strategy definitely works. Please don't ask me about any statistics or RR or what else. If I get a new strategy, I test the last 3 months, and if it works, it works. If it works very well for 3 months, it can happen that it will not work in the next 3 months. You can't know that. And backtesting more than a half year is, in my opinion, not the best thing to do, because at the end, you waste so much time on the chart backtesting. It's more backtest fitting than actual backtesting. I prefer to make the backtest shorter, and if I see it works, I just use it for the future as long as it gives me profit. When it starts to become worse and worse, just drop the strategy. I will not hold onto it as many people do. This is the sweep hunt. For this, I have a template. It's shared in my Telegram group for members. You can get the same template and you will have the same look. You don't have to draw anything on the chart. I like that way so much. You just have everything on a chart. What you need else is the Million Moves indicator Smart Money Pro. I have it here on the chart. And to get the same indicator, you just go to the website millionmoves.com. You will find the link in the description below. Click on Get Indicator Access. That will give you access to all the Million Moves indicators, including the Telegram community access. You just check out and you get the indicator access immediately as it's automated. I click on Show. And the settings are the following. Just switch off the order blocks. We don't need them. Switch off the block volume. Without blocks, it will not show anyway. And here the show market structure, you select only the change of character. And here the same, change of character. It's called Scotch. And color candles because it's easier to see. We have a sweep range here. This is 1 hour before New York opens. So my time zone is in Dubai. Your time zone will adjust automatically. So if you have +2, it will look the same. It will be on the same time range. It will just show different numbers here at the bottom. So you just apply my template on the chart and it will look the same. So what we want to do is, this is the sweep range. You wait for this. And then what we want to see is this range or this range needs to get swept. This can be on the side, or it can be on this side. Today you can see the sweep happened here. After the sweep happens, we wait for a change of character symbol, like here. In this case, the candles are green, you can see it, and it becomes red. If you watch it in the replay, this is what you see when live trading. We are here on the chart. You see the highs are taken out. Move forward, we see a change of character. And now what you do is, you see I have another indicator here on the chart. It shows news, and here is the dot. High impact news, retail sales and core retail sales. If we check the website forexfactory.com, we can see it was mixed. One was bad and one was good. So if we have mixed results, we just follow the normal strategy, which is wait for the highs or lows to be taken out and then wait for the next change of character of the opposite side. So in this case, we got it here. What you then do, you need to be fast because it's a 1 minute candle. You take the Fibonacci tool, which is on the left side, this one here, okay? This is the Fibonacci tool. Let's move it like this. You take the Fibonacci tool, then draw it from here to the bottom of the change of character candle. And here in the middle is the 50%. If you double click on it, you can see my settings here. You can do the same settings, you can change the color here, but make sure you have the 50%. Now, what you want to do is you set a sell limit order exactly here. And the stop loss is 25 pips. 25 pips. And the risk reward ratio is 1 to 2. You can see the risk reward ratio here in the middle. 1 to 2. Now we want to wait until the candle comes up and picks up our sell limit order. Let's check it. Okay, here we got tagged in. All right, the trade is active. And boom, 1 to 2, done. All right, this is the day 17. Let's check another day. I'm now here at Wednesday 18. Let's check the calendar. Wednesday 18, we had news, but it was late. It was the FOMC statement, and this was not on our plan. We apply the normal rules. Therefore, because we have no news exactly at New York Open, we wait for the sweep range. Then we wait until one side gets taken out. In this case, you see the highs are taken out. So we want to see a change of character and then go short. Here is the change of character. Now we take the Fibonacci tool. In this case, this is the highest point. We draw it to the lowest point. We have to be quick because it's a 1 minute candle. Set our sell limit order here. The stop loss is 25 pips and the risk reward 1 to 2. Move forward. And we got picked up here. You see, the candle went up and picked up our sell limit order here. Let's move on. Boom. 1 to 2 RR hit. Okay. That's it for the 18th. Let's check on the 19th. Okay, here's the 19th September and we can see here's a dot. We have high impact news. Let's check the day. 19. Green means good news. We anticipate for a change of character to the upside. Normally we have the highs taken out and we would take the change of character down, but as we have high impact news with good news, we only take the change of character for the upside. You can see all the rules in our community. So we have a change of character, and on high impact news days where we know that the numbers are good and not mixed, we can enter directly from the change of character. And the stop loss will be bigger on these days because it's a news day. And we can even go for 2.5. And you can see here 2.5 was done. That's it for the sweep hunter strategy with the Smart Money Pro indicator of million moves. Of course, we have many more strategies, but that's only one of many, and it always depends on the user. I always want to give everyone enough strategies to pick from because your style might be different than my style. I personally like to trade gold, but we have many members who enjoy trading NASDAQ, and the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio is especially for funded accounts very good because you have a strict rule, you have a strict strategy. In case they will ask you for your strategy, you can provide them the strategy without any problems, and you are on the safe side because you use a stop loss, a fixed stop loss and a fixed take profit, and everything is good. And in our Telegram community, we talk about the sweep hunter strategy. You will find all the rules, all the tips, everything is inside, and members share also their entries and setups, which is really helpful. All right, see you soon. Your Ali from Million Moves.